Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn a JPEG photo into editable text in Microsoft Word. First, open Microsoft Word and create a blank document. Go to your computer and find the JPEG image you want to convert. Click and drag the image directly into the Word document. You will now see your photo inside Word. The next step is to save this document as a PDF. To do that, go to the top menu and select File. Then click on Save As. Choose the location where you want to save the file. Under Save as Type, select PDF. Give it a name and press Save. Now your Word document has been exported as a PDF file. Next, we will open the PDF back into Word so that it can be converted into text. Go back to Word and open a new blank document. Then go to File and choose Open. Find the PDF file that you just saved. Select it and click Open. Word will now display a message saying it will convert the PDF into an editable Word document. Click OK or Yes. After a short moment, the PDF opens inside Word, and the text from your JPEG image is now editable. You can copy it, format it, and make changes as you like. That is the full process. Thanks for watching.